Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'm going to be telling you how accurate is Experian credit report. So let's just dive in. Now if you talk about accuracy, it is extremely important since we are dealing with numbers, and these are not ordinary numbers. Instead, it is credit report, so the accuracy is going to be a big concern. So talking about Experian and its services that it does provide, it is actually pretty legit, and the accuracy is surprisingly pretty decent. So you can see we have which credit report is most accurate. I was just searching online different platform researching about the credit report accuracy, and I came across this one which looks pretty decent to me. You can see three major credit bureaus get their information from different sources. This means that your credit report um, from these bureaus may be all slightly different. So considering monitoring each of those reports or annual basis to help make sure information is correct. So basically they're trying to convey that there are different type of bureaus which provide information regarding our credit reports, and the information is going to be slightly different from each department. So if you consider using any other uh, crediting services, like for example we have Credit Karma to check your credit scores and monitor your credit reports, keep in mind that we update your TransUnion credit scores on a daily basis, so you can follow your progress closely, and that is going to be a pretty obvious thing, because once they are going to be tracking the progress, only then they are going to be providing accurate data. So overall, looking at all of these information and all of these stats online, I came across that Experience is actually pretty accurate and provides you the most reliable source of information. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Make sure to subscribe to our channel.